Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonathan from Alvarez Abroad, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Insta360 X3. You guys, I am super excited about this video, not only because I love doing unboxings, but because I've had my eyes on this camera for a while now, and now that I have my hands on it, I am super excited to get it out of the box. I plan on using this camera for a few of my upcoming videos, and I can't wait to see what it allows me to do creatively and the new types of shots I'm able to get with it. So be on the lookout and stay tuned to see the results. Now in today's video, it's just going to be an unboxing. I'll have a full review of the camera later on once I get more experience and get some more time with the camera itself. I'll give you guys the pros and cons and kind of what it's like to actually use the camera. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Alright guys, here it is. Now let's take a look at the box. On the front here we have a picture of the Insta360 with its lens cap. Now this is a 360 degree action camera. You guys, I am super excited to get this open. Now you may notice that the packaging on this looks a little different, and that's because I got this bundle at Costco. And the reason why is because this bundle actually has some extras already included in it. I'll show you guys that here in a minute. Now let's take a look at a few of the camera's features. Like I said before, this camera captures 360 degree video. That way you capture everything that's going on around you and you never have to worry about missing a shot. This camera captures 4K in single lens mode. That way you don't have to use the 360 degree camera. You can just use it as a regular action camera. It captures HDR video. A neat feature is once you attach the selfie stick, it'll actually use the camera's onboard processing to edit out the selfie stick, making it invisible, hence the invisible selfie stick. A really nice feature about this camera is that it's waterproof, which is super convenient, especially since I'm going to have some upcoming videos featuring me on the water, and it's just nice not having to worry about the camera getting wet. Alright, now let's take a look at what comes inside the box. This is why I opted for this bundle. Normally it comes with a camera, battery, cable, protective pouch, lens cloth, quick start guide and warranty. But what makes this bundle special is the extra accessories that come with the camera. It comes with an extra battery, that way you don't have to worry about your battery dying on you. The lens cap. Now the lens cap is super important on a camera like this because if you scratch the lens, that's it. The lenses are not replaceable, and that means you have to buy a whole new camera. This bundle also includes the invisible selfie stick. And it comes with a 64GB micro SD card, which is always nice, especially since that means I don't have to go out and get my own. It already comes with it in the box. Alright guys, enough talking, let's get this thing out of the box. Alright, let's go ahead and pull it out of the sleeve. I'm going to show you guys what makes this bundle so special. First things first is the 64GB micro SD card. As you can see, this one's actually Insta360 branded. Alright, let's set it off to the side. Next is the battery. Always nice to have an extra one, that way you're not constantly stressing out about whether your battery is going to die or not. Next is the lens cap. And you know what they say, it's always good to carry protection. And knowing me, I'm gonna need it. Alright, next is the invisible selfie stick, which is really cool that it actually comes with it. That way I don't have to go out and actually buy it myself, or have to order it online. And then the camera itself. Man, just look at it. So this is the kit you would normally get if you just order the camera. Alright, so this is everything that comes in this specific bundle. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the selfie stick. Feels really nice and sturdy. A little stiff, but I guess that's good. You don't want this thing being loose. It's got a 1/4 20 thread on top. and a 1/4 20 thread on the bottom. Now let's open up the battery. Oh, it comes in its own little case. That's nice. It's got a weather sealing gasket. That way it keeps the battery waterproof. Alright, now let's open up the lens cap. Again guys, I have really bad luck when it comes to dropping stuff, so hopefully this will keep the camera nice and protected. Really nice, squishy, passes the bounce test. It's Insta360 labeled. Really nice. And of course, the SD card, but we all know what that is, so let's put that off to the side. Now this is what we're waiting for. Alright, now let's carefully open this thing up. Ooh. And it looks so nice. Alright, satisfying moment. Let me know if you guys love peeling stickers as much as I do down in the comments. Got the USB-C port on the side, the battery, and the SD slot is actually right inside. There's the microphone, or one of the microphones. Alright, let's see what comes in the case. It's always nice when they include a little snack. We got the USB-C cable, a nice little pouch, ooh, and stickers. They know I love some stickers. Quick start guide, waterproof info, warranty card, safety, and a microfiber cloth. Alright, let's turn this thing on. Alright, there it is. And of course it's dead. This thing's pretty cool looking. It's got the 2 lenses, one on each side, that way it can capture everything around you. You don't have to worry about missing any shots, which is a huge relief. Alright, now let's go ahead and put everything together. Alright, here it is. The entire bundle, everything together. This is everything you get with the Costco bundle. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, then please be sure to hit that like button. And if you guys aren't subscribed, then please consider subscribing. It helps support the channel and I always appreciate your guys' support. See, it's videos like this that get me super excited to film new content for you guys, and hopefully my excitement translates to better / more entertaining videos for you guys. I can't wait to see what new opportunities this camera opens up for me and the cool new footage I'm able to get for you guys. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.